What's good, y'all? What's good, y'all? I wanted to do a better intro. Y'all like, yo, what you out there doing? Sweat like that. All right, sweat like that out there. And, get off me. But yeah, this video gonna be, stop licking on me. Taking old Simba on the walk, man. Picking up Courtney, trying to kill two birds with one stone. And, yeah, we outside with it. Yeah, he got me sweating, so y'all gonna see why I'm sweating. Right now, I'm just sitting out here waiting on Court, so y'all can catch that. Y'all can catch that some of that today too. Y'all gonna see how he react when she get off work and all that jump. But yeah, she had to get off a little late, so y'all know how it is. Hey, y'all drop in the comment. Since the puppy side passed away, y'all give me a name. Stop. For the kennel. We changed it. We're gonna change the kennel, the dog channel name with Simba channel until we get another dog, if we get another dog. Y'all drop some names in the comments below. But right now, I'm gonna let y'all get to it. Y'all already know what it is, 48 hours. And we go to the next scene. What's good, y'all? What's good? Y'all already know who it is. Hey, Simba. It's Yogi up here with old Simba. Got to go get Courtney late from work. So might as well take Simba for his walk and get it over with. All at once. You go back home and eat. But anyway, y'all make sure y'all hit that like, boy, hit that subscribe, boy. Share the channel. Y'all. This man here got issues. Simba. Slow down. Slow down. Good boy. 8 months and he act like he ain't got no sense. Come here, Simba. Come here. I gotta learn how Rod do on his channel, talk German to him. Maybe he'll listen in, y'all. But anyway, man, I hope y'all having a good day. Slow down, Simba. Y'all got any tips on how to get this big ass animal to slow down? Let me know in the comments below. Come on, cause you ain't gonna raise your leg. Yeah, and he haven't raised his leg yet, but his brother done raised his leg. Come on, Simba, we ain't got time. We late. But y'all, I'm gonna get to where I'm going at, and I'm gonna get with y'all in a minute, man. This nigga here needs some some real training, but nah, he good now. No, no, no. Collar. Come on now. Slow down. I usually got the big chain on this monkey ass now. But trying to get on the benefit of the doubt. When he on that chain, his ass walk good. Yeah. Leave it alone. Simba. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. Come on. I hope I got that other video, man. If I did, y'all, we walking Simba. To go get caught. Like I say, we're doing a 2-for-1. Getting his walk out the way. Come on. Drop it. Fuck wrong with you? What? Drop it. You ain't going no more. This your last time walking. Come on. keep stuffing shit in this damn mouth. This is last time walking this far. He ain't walking down here no more. He hot seat, yeah. Choke, bitch. Told your ass, stop eating shit off the fucking ground. See, that's how dogs get sick, right there. I'm gonna get him on a choke chain. I'm gonna see how you like that. Yeah, cause this nigga here something else, man. This shit gonna have his whole stomach turned up. Slow down. And we don't go to the vet, so his ass gonna be. Didn't I say no? Didn't I? This nigga here, boy, I swear. Slow down. I'm gonna start carrying that belt for your ass. Yeah, y'all, 8 months and this nigga a straight problem. Whew. All right. Here's something else. You know, listen, nothing in the world. When his ass gets sick, people expect you to take her to the doctor, but they do shit they don't want to listen. Nope. Stop. But he been learning though. Yo, hey, what I say? Stop. What I say? Damn dog, y'all. You gotta have discipline on this nigga here, cause he's big as hell. He done gave him a burn rub, a rub burn or whatever you want to call it, junk on the back of a leg. But it's all good, dog. I got something for him. Got something for him. Hey, all right now. Come on. Whew. He take you through the ringer, boy. Slow down. Try to talk to him gentle. That's what they say. Talk to your dog gentle, and they can understand you better. Not this nigga. Don't walk in front of me. No, 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 Simba. You hear them damn birds. Birds should jump down and jump your ass. That's what you need. You need something, one of these animals to beat your ass. That's what you need. Okay, me rub burn on the back of my damn leg. Get over here. Whew. That nigga gave rub burn the back of my leg with the damn leash. See, when I carry this leash, I can't go inside the stove because he know how to get it up. Here go old Simba, y'all. Simba. Sit. Simba. Simba. Sit. Sit, Simba. Good boy. Yeah, I see this old Simba out here on this daily walk. But you gotta watch it because it's crazy. He friendly, but he ain't that friendly. Simba. Simba. One more time. One more time, Simba. Simba. God darn it. Trying to take a nice picture of. Can't take a picture of this nigga. Do that again. Do that. Do that again, swole head. Right. Nope. Sit. 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 Let me take a picture of your ass. Hey, Simba. Look. Stop ignoring me. Oh, look. Dangerous jaw. Ooh, ooh. Do that again, Simba. Look your stupid ass up again. Come on, let me see your eye. Look, Simba. Simba. Look, just look. You ain't got to walk over here. God damn. All right, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all when Court come out the door. Watch how this nigga act when you see Courtney. Wait, Courtney. Wait, Courtney, Simba. Wait, Courtney. Wait, Court.
Hi, Simba Pose.
Yeah, see.
He always trying to jump. You little old jump.
And we on our way back to the house. Like I say, I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. I walked Simba, and we going to get caught.
Simba Pose. You know, Pose.
Y'all see, she keep calling him, and then she don't want him on her.
Yeah, but I got my work shirt on. I don't like them jumping on my work clothes.
So why you be calling him? Yeah, y'all. I'll catch y'all when we make it to the house. Or I'm gonna pick up and something else. Get it out your mouth.
You don't even know what the hell that is.
We already ate something off the ground.
Stop eating shit. You eat enough at home. Stop. Don't jump in my hand and get nothing.
Come on, Simba. Come on. You don't want to leave. Once he see her, that's why I tell her she got to go in front of him. Because once she here, go ahead, man. Go across the street. Go across the street. Go across. Hey, Simba, slow down.
I don't like when he don't jump in my hand to get nothing. Let me hand it to you.
You think he be thinking about that?
No.
He
don't think about it.
He think about that you keep calling me. He think you playing like he just played. He ain't worry about nothing you got in your hand. He know when you giving him something because you always tell him. All right, y'all. Let me switch up. And we gonna get back at it. I swear the dog hit or something up. Yeah, this is 8 months. I don't know what y'all think. He gonna get bigger, wider, or what? But he ain't finished growing.
I don't think he gonna get no taller. He might be wider as width, but he ain't gonna get no taller. That's about it.
Now when y'all watch, y'all make it to this point, y'all tell me the difference in this dog walking than when I first brought him out the door. And I remember I done got a leash burn and everything fucking with this dog. But now that she on and she walking with us, y'all see he come, he want to stay by her.
Cause he a bad dog. He look at me for food.
Nope. Y'all see the difference. He looked back and made sure Courtney coming and all type of junk. Me, he just dragged me down the street. But we gonna catch y'all when we get back to the house. Same shit, different minute. Y'all feel me?
Just a puppy.
Yeah, we almost to the house. As y'all see, we got caught. I'm picked up from work. And yeah, like I say, y'all let me know what's a good name for a dog channel. I don't know what I'm gonna name it. Right now it's just Simba. Oh, I don't know. And then put in the comments what kind of dog y'all think Simba is. Maybe I need help. Damn, that internet reach far. Damn. So yeah. Keep going. Yeah, he tired, I'm tired, we tired. We tired together. Cause he done dragged me down the street so the hell long. I'm just through. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get him in the house, get him laid down, get us in the house, and get broke down. And I'm gonna get with y'all. Y'all already know what it is. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, shut up trying to do all that good stuff. Y'all already. I'm gone.